Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage your Amazon Prime membership. This is essential for keeping track of your subscription details, updating payment information, and making sure your membership stays active without any interruptions. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Prime Video homepage where you can access all your account settings and membership details. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Hover your mouse over this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you'll find all the important information and controls related to your Prime membership. Once you're in the Account and Settings section, you'll notice several tabs available. Click on the Your Account tab. This tab provides a comprehensive overview of your membership status, including your renewal date and the payment method currently on file. It's a good idea to review these details regularly to ensure everything is up to date and accurate. If you already have a Prime Video membership and want to make changes to your subscription details, click on Manage Membership. This option allows you to modify various aspects of your membership, giving you full control over how your account is set up. However, if you haven't set up a payment method yet, you'll need to do that first. Look for the option that says Set Payment Method and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can add your preferred payment option. You'll be presented with two choices. You can either add a digital wallet or add a credit or debit card. Both options are secure and easy to set up, so choose whichever works best for you. For this example, let's click on Add a credit or debit card. This will open a form where you'll need to enter your card details. Start by typing in the name on card exactly as it appears on your physical card. Next, enter your card number in the designated field, followed by the expiration date and security code. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any payment issues down the line. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Add Your Card. This action will save your card information to your account and set it as your primary payment method for your Prime membership. Your payment details are now securely stored and ready to be used for automatic renewals. Finally, to ensure all your changes are saved properly, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This confirms all the updates you've made to your account and membership settings. And that's it. You've successfully managed your Amazon Prime membership and updated your payment information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.